Northwest ProWash. We're out in Camping World washing campers and RVs. We got 275 of these puppies to wash. We've been doing this for years. We wash thousands of pieces, so we have a very, very, very efficient way that we wash. We have a two-step low-pressure soap that we use, which breaks the hydrostatic bond of the dirt. So I want to run you through and show you a quick checklist, and then also I want to explain our low-pressure method. So the first things first, your customers pull up, and you obviously want to hit everything that that customer sees from the golf cart, basically. So, and that's the tongue, that's your propane tank covers, all of this right here. The fronts need to look extra, extra good, so you're not going to have any streaks or anything like that in them. Alright guys, so the next thing that we look for are these pop-outs. So we're going to wash all these pop-outs right here. A lot of dirt, grime builds up here. Some of these rubber marks from the seal will actually rub off onto this. Our soap actually takes that right off. Another thing, the stairs. So the customer walks right up the stairs. The stairs is very, very important. Our soaps wash where a brush cannot touch. Like you cannot have a guy with a brush actually physically brush in here, brush in there, but our soaps can clean that. So you'll look for this right here. All that whole section is very, very clean. All your black streaks are off the doors. All right guys, so obviously we're gonna wash the whole trailer here, or the RV or the camper. So your body is gonna look really, really good. So our job is to get most of the black streaks. I can't tell you that we're gonna get all of them, but we're gonna get most of them. And some of the darker ones are gonna lighten up quite a bit. So all the dirt comes right off these bottom plastic panels. They're super nice. They look brand new when you're finished. And your graphics are super, super bright. So the most important part, I feel, are your rims and tires. So if you'll take a look at these puppies, they are nice and shiny. All right guys, black streaks tend to come off these gutters right up here. So we've got gutters on basically all four corners. So your streaks tend to be in the same spots on every single one of these models. Awnings, guys, we wash the awnings. So normally a brush isn't going to be able to get behind here, a brush isn't going to get up there, but our soaps will. So all your awnings are going to be clean. Your actual canvas there, a lot of dirt and grime will build up right along there. We're sure to wipe it right on away. Your windows are usually going to be mostly streak-free. Whenever we're done washing, we'll go back through, we'll just take a wet chamois and just make sure that all the water spots are off. But your windows are going to be looking like mirrors. Our low-pressure approach for washing these things is very gentle on these vents. So we're not actually spraying water up in here. It's not going to get on the inside of your campers or your RVs. So very low risk of damage. Just real quick, when you put your thumb over a water hose, it increases the pressure of the water coming out of the end of the water hose. If you remove your thumb, it increases the water flow. So that's the same thing we do with our pressure washers, is we increase that water flow and take away the pressure. So we're using water flow to move the dirt versus high pressure.